wondered why Rover wasn't coming up to me. It's because it's Rover's baby. I get a video. Can you believe that? It's hard to tell from there, but she looks just like Rover. Where'd she go? Oh, here's Rover, actual Rover. Hey Rover, I was just looking at your spitting image, your doppelganger child. You need another one? Oops, there you go. Pippi went down there to get out of the fray. There's the Pips. Rover had to have two, of course, and then here's Miss Two-Pack. Did you not get one? How did you get one? That's her new trick. She's taking from the hand. I just can't believe it. I never thought that would happen. Look at her back. You can see the wound. I am getting her more hide material tonight. We're just going to keep making hides for her. This is insane. Right? Right, Pips? Whatever it takes. Keep everyone safe.